the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Is amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite dish and your favorite meal. Basically, it's a simple recipe, 12 to 15 minutes at home in your kitchen. When you come home, tired, stressed, have a long full day, you want to do something really nice. But this is where it comes in handy. Salmon stir fry rice. It's just basic recipe, guys, and I know you guys will like this one because it's just very easy and simple, nothing too complicated, and hopefully we can enjoy the recipe. So it's the salmon with some rice and fried up with some veg. Amazing recipe. 12 to 15 minutes at home. Enjoy it with a nice lovely drink. Thank you so much.
Nice and lovely. Today I'm gonna make you a salmon fried up rice. So basically I'm gonna use one piece of salmon, one slice of salmon. Basically the way you can do your salmon is just put a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, put it in the oven and cook that for roughly 12 to 13 minutes. Gas mark 9 or a 175 temperature. So basically what I'm gonna do is take one slices of salmon right here, and I'm just gonna just break it apart like this. Remove the skin because it doesn't want the skin. I know salmon is very easy to cook, guys. Simple, break it apart like this. Alright, that's the salmon. Then right here we have 1 cup of rice, some mixed pepper, white onion, spring onion, a little bit of pepper, and we're gonna take up everything. No, we're gonna cook everything together. Alright, so hopefully you enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. So basically we're gonna take you to the next level, how to do this simple recipe. Basically this is just a 15 minutes recipe. After you come from work and tired, stressed out, have a hot sunny day, this is where it comes in really handy. Enjoy the recipe as I show you how to do this one. Nice one. So basically, front pan on the stove, pop a little bit of olive oil in it, just like that. Because my front pan is supposed to be about 3 to 4 minutes, so it's probably hot, ready for the season. Then white onion, mixed pepper, and some spring onion. Give it a quick saute on a medium sized frying at the moment, as you can see, looking lovely. A little bit more heat. Nice and lovely. So basically these are ready, but the veg doesn't take long to cook and you don't want to overcook them too much. Pop in the rice. And put in your salmon. Medium size heat. A little bit of pepper. Give that 5 minutes. Nice and lovely. So that's simple. Put a little bit of sweet chili sauce just to bring up the flavor, not too much. If you want to add some of your favorite seasoning you got at home, you are free to do that. Nice and lovely. So basically, guys, this is finished. The only thing I would say, I would cut back some of the oil. I believe I put a little bit too much oil, but that's fine. Alright, if you're making yours, just cut back a little bit of the oil. I know I'm using olive oil. Olive oil is really good for you, but you know what I mean, still too much oil. But anyway, enjoy it and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. I'm gonna pour it out in straight in the plate and make you guys see the way how it look. Salmon stir fry rice. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely, as you can see the way the salmon and stir fry rice looking lovely and nice. And as I said, this is just a recipe for when you come from work, tired of a stressful day, time hot, and need something very quick. You know what I mean? You want something warm. I know the time's a little bit warm still, but you know, you just feel for something totally different. This is where it come in really handy. So salmon stir fry rice with veg. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe like these coming out for you. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.